Hey guys, this is a review of my Lasko 24353 from 2023. It's a Lasko box fan. This is a pretty good fan. I had it for a few months, but the only problem is it wobbles like that. And that's fine, I really do not care. It has a little bit of shake to it, I not really care. And it does bounce around and move a little bit. And this is speed 1, low. I'm going to grab a piece of toilet paper. That's pretty good, I guess. Or on medium. Speed 2. Pretty good. And speed 3. Pretty good fan. I paid for this with my money. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.